Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.10 and its extension pack on Windows operating system. Either it may be 10, 11 or servers. Okay, first go to VirtualBox official website. It is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download both are same. Then see here the latest release is 7.2.10. Then click on Windows hosts. See download started, go to download, see here its size is about 170 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this. See download completed. Now click on the exe file. Click on next. Select this radio button to accept the end user license agreement. Then click on next. I want to install all these applications. Then this is the installation location. If you want some other, click on change and select the location. Okay, then click on next. This is just warning. Click on yes. See it is going to add to start menu, create a desktop shortcut. All okay. Then click on next. Ready to install. Click on install. See installation has been started. See installation has been completed. If you want to start Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.10, keep the checkbox and click on finish. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on finish. Go to all applications. Then go to Oracle VirtualBox folder. Then click on this Oracle VirtualBox. See, go to this home. Now, if you want to create virtual machine, click on new, or go to machine and select new. Okay, both are same. Next option is you have to download and install VirtualBox extension pack. Go to again home. I will show you the navigation. Click on downloads. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack version number 7.2.10. Click on accept and download. See download started. Click on this extension pack. See it automatically opened the Oracle VirtualBox manager. Then click on install. This is the end user license agreement again. See it is we are unable to select the I agree. So scroll down up to the bottom, then only we will be able to click on I agree. Successfully installed. Go to these extensions. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack version number 7.2.10. Okay, now click on new. Then we have to provide all these details. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Oracle VirtualBox and its extension pack version number 7.2.10 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.